Hello to you. Today we're going to be unboxing the Factor Notes Happy Hamper for the year 2022, and we're also going to be writing a little love letter to the year 2022. I hope you're excited, and let's start with the video. So in this section of the planner, you can write down your name, also stick a photograph of yourself if you wish to. The first part of the planner, you have to list down the top 5 goals that you want to achieve in this year. Now I know a lot of us have more than 5 goals. So how I did it is I wrote down I think I ended up writing 10 to 15 things that I wanted to do, and then I just picked out the ones that held most value to me, and then I wrote them down in the planner. Next, we move to the vision board. I've always had my vision board hanging around like fairy lights in my room, but this time around I decided to have it on my planner because it just made more sense to have it on the planner since they already have the section. Plus, I would end up using my planner much more religiously. Throw in any pictures here that you wish to see come alive in the year 2022. Pick it up from Pinterest or even the stickers that they have provided. They have an improvement plan for body, relationships, mind and work. So you can list down how you plan to improve in these areas of the life in this section. Then there is a bucket list and an anti-bucket list. Anti-bucket list is a concept that's new to me as well, but I'll definitely share what I'm going to be writing down here on my Instagram. I'll link it down below. You can have a look at it. So I'm assuming bucket list is what you want to do and anti-bucket list is what you don't want to do. Ideal week in 2022, I did have this on the Factor Notes 2021 planner as well that I used, but honestly the entire year I always felt like no 2 weeks were the same. Every time things kept changing. That's probably also because I didn't have a very set routine given how things were around COVID and we were all working from home. But this year I hope to use this section in a much more better and optimal way. I'll again definitely share it across on Instagram. Then we have the 2022 year calendar. You can also write down some notes if you wish to on this section. Now we move to the most vibrant part of the planner is the monthly covers. Such beautiful and gorgeous covers, they really stand out in the planner. Every month has a really nice looking cover with the particular theme that goes along with the month. This is for March, and it says relax, recharge and reflect. And I'll also show you the one for February. It's a vibrant red which says radiate love. There are so many stickers in the Factor Notes Happy Hamper as well as the planner. These are the ones that came along with the planner. And if you get the Happy Hamper, you get even more stickers. So you're just sorted with stickers for the entire year. Very, very thoughtful stickers, which most of them you'll definitely end up using. I'm doing a flip through here of the entire Happy Hamper. You get this little calendar, the planner, the sticker pack which has so many different stickers. I'll also do a flip through of these stickers. Very thoughtful and very cute stickers. I'm sure you won't fall short of stickers if you get this. Then there is this whole cute package which gives you 4 bookmarks with quotes written behind them. Then there are greeting cards which you can give to the people you love based on the occasion. Really, really cute cards again. Dear 2022, I hope you bring us love and light that keeps us warm throughout the year. You are a new beginning for each of us our own. Some of us are venturing into a new career, some of us are walking down the aisle, some of us are moving out of our homes, and some of us are just breathing into a new life by merely staying where we are and doing what we were doing last year, but still holding on to the hope of getting better. You give us so much hope, and there's nothing more than hope and love that can keep one going. From all of us to you, dear 2022, I cannot wait to meet you. I know you are the one that will change my life for the best. To everyone who made it till here. I hope you hold on to the childish hope that things will get better for you, and it's only onwards and upwards from here, you guys. You're about to begin the best year of your life. Happy New Year 2022 in advance, and if you like this video, please like and share and subscribe to my channel. I am so grateful that you watched the video till here, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.